Okay, now we're going to change gears a little bit. Now that we've shown you the way to soak the beans and overnight and then take the water out and then replenish it with water. This is going to be the easy method to use. You know, after a hard day's work, you just want to do something quicker, is use the canned beans. Now, as you can see, these are the just regular white beans. Okay, so all we want to do is get our pot ready, the one that we're going to complete our dish in, and go ahead and open the beans. And it's going to have quite a bit of juice in here too, and we want that. Just go ahead, and we're just going to put it right into the pot. As you can see, there's a lot of liquid in there. So we'll just go ahead and add these other two that I have opened. Okay, and we want to put these sort of on medium heat. You can go ahead and put it on high to begin with, just to get them up to speed, and then we'll show you what the next step is.